Kansa is killed. Lord Krishna and Balram now approached evil Kansa, the demon king, as he sat away from the arena in his palace. Kansa saw them and fearfully ordered his guards, tie both the brothers in iron chains and put them in prison. The prophecy that Lord Krishna would kill the monstrous and ruthless demon king was about to come true. Before anyone could move a muscle, Lord Krishna jumped off the arena and caught hold of Kansa by the hair. Then he hurled Kansa, who fell senseless to the ground due to the impact. As everyone watched, awestruck, Kansa breathed his last at Lord Krishna's feet. Kansa's brother Sumali tried to kill Lord Krishna. Balram destroyed Sumali in a trice. With this, the reign of Demon King Kansa came to an end in Mathura. All of the Mathura rejoiced at the death of the Demon King. Lord Krishna met his parents Vasudeva and Devaki. Nanda and Yashoda also came to Mathura to join in the celebrations. Krishna in Gurukul. After Lord Krishna had killed Kansa, he made his grandfather Agrasena the king of Mathura. Then Lord Krishna and Balram went through a sacred thread ceremony called Yajna Pavitra. Earlier, all students lived and learnt in Gurukul, so Lord Krishna and Balram too left for the Gurukul of sage Sandipani, who lived in Kashi. Lord Krishna and Balram had killed many demons and earned universal fame. Even then, they followed their Guru's commands obediently and humbly. They went to the forest every day and brought firewood. They helped Guru Mata, Sage Sandipani's wife, cook food in the ashram. Sage Sandipani was pleased with their humility, modesty, and intelligence. Lord Krishna and Balram read spiritual Vedas like Yig, Yajur, Sam, and Atharva, the Upanishads, and worldly knowledge like Kalp, Jyotisa or astrology, and Vyakarna or grammar. They also became proficient in archery, politics, and 64 arts in 64 days. They memorized everything so fast, thought Sage Sandipani, astonished at their fast progress and development. Krishna and puffed rice. Sudama, the son of poor Brahmin, studied in Sage Sandipani's Gurukul along with Lord Krishna and Balram. Over time, Lord Krishna and Sudama became inseparable friends. One day, Guru Mata, wife of Sage Sandipani, asked Lord Krishna and Sudama to bring some wood from the forest. While they were collecting wood, dark clouds spread in the sky and it started raining heavily. Lord Krishna and Sudama took shelter on the branches of a huge tree, but it did not stop raining for a very long time. Sudama, I am feeling very hungry, Krishna complained, but Sudama, who was on the branch above him, did not answer, for he was busy eating the puffed rice that Guru Mata had packed for them both. When Krishna climbed up the branch and caught Sudama eating red-handed, he said jokingly, Sudama, you owe me this puffed rice. You will give it to me later. Soon it stopped raining and they both went back, forgetting the incident. Guru Dakshana. In earlier days, there was a practice called Guru Dakshana. After completing their education, students would make a token offering of gratitude to their Guru. This offering was called Guru Dakshana. When the education was over, Lord Krishna and Balram went to Sage Sandipani. Standing humbly with bowed heads, they asked, Gurudev, it is time for us to return home. Kindly tell us what we may offer to you as Guru Dakshana. Sage Sandipani said, Krishna and Balram, it was my good fortune to be a guru to the ideal students like you. You are all-knowing and all-powerful. Your divine attributes are known the world over. By associating with you, all my material desires have vanished, but I have a longing for my son who died many years ago. He had been playing on the beach and somehow he was drowned. I want you to resurrect him and bring him back to me. Thus, Lord Krishna and Balram set out to fulfill their Guru's desire. Krishna's conch shell. As per Sage Sandipani's request, Lord Krishna and Balram went to bring his son back. They went to the ocean shores of Prabhasa and ordered the god of ocean to give back Sage Sandipani's son. The ocean replied, The boy is not in my grip. He was taken away by demon Shankha. He has a holy conch shell named Panchajanya, and he lives inside it. Lord Krishna entered the ocean and killed Shankasur, but he did not find the boy there. So he took the conch shell and went to Yamapura, the kingdom of Yamraja. When Krishna blew the conch, Yamraj welcomed him. When he ordered the boy's return, Yamraj returned Sandipani's son. Once he was brought back to life, Krishna and Balram handed the boy over to their guru Sandipani. From that day onwards, Lord Krishna carried the conch shell with him. He even blew conch shell Panchajanya along with Arjun's conch shell Devdatta, signaling the start of the war of the Mahabharata.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.